In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect two databases in Notion using the relation property. This lets you link related information such as products and sales, projects and tasks, or clients and invoices. Let's get started. Open the first database and click the plus button to add a new property. Select relation as the property type. Choose the second database you want to connect. Notion will create a relation property that links the two databases together. Click a cell in the new relation column and select the related entries from the second database. You can link one or multiple records depending on your workflow. If you want the connection to work both ways, enable the show on option when creating the relation, or add a relation property in the second database that links back to the first. Notion will automatically keep both databases synchronized. Once your databases are connected, you can easily navigate between related records and use rollups to display information from the linked database, making your workspace more organized and powerful. That's how to connect two databases in Notion. Thanks for watching.